Today I'm going to demonstrate a tip I learned from our very own Dr. David Tarpey at the Bees Academy, which, by the way, is the premium online source of bee learning. And what David Tarpey says is when you have made a split and the split is making a new queen, the first queen cells that get capped are from those 1 and 2 day old larvae. And the other uncapped queen cells are going to be ones that are from just hatched eggs, just eclosed eggs. Those are the ones you want to leave. You want to take out on the 5th day, not the 4th day, not the 6th day. On the 5th day, after you've removed the queen, take out the capped queen cells, and I'm about to do that. So I don't know where the queen cells are. But I think I'm going to start in the bottom box. Of course, the bottom box is always where the meanest bees are. Okay, so we've got some queen cells. Not quite capped. So I'm going to put those back. Nothing capped there. Nothing here. Okay, no queen cells there. So the biggest queen cell is the one on the frame I've got in my hand. That's presumably the one that's from the oldest larvae, but it's not capped, so I'm going to leave it. Just going to put it back the way I got it. And hopefully that queen will mate for me. I'm going to check up here, another couple frames. I don't see anything on this one. There's only one more frame in here. So we're good. So because that queen cell wasn't capped, I left it. And we're going to close this hive back up. And we're done.